guys, this is Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that way you'll know new video releases. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. It's twitter.com/CryptoJetta. And if you're also an existing subscriber and you watch my videos, please hit that like button if you find the videos useful to you. So today I'm going to talk about Drip. Drip is a DeFi protocol that allows you to earn 1% daily on your return of investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, which is also compounding rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. So in order to join Drip, you will need a buddy address, and I'll post my buddy address in the link, in the description, so that way you can all you got to do is just take my buddy address, right? Just copy that, and then what you do, well, basically, I'll copy my referral link into the description, so that way you can just automatically join Drip without having to copy and paste a buddy address. All right, so basically what you would need, as you can see here, I already have 11 Drip in here, which is around about $172 at the current price of Drip. As you can see, I have 1.726 claim, and my current max payout is 40 Drip. I have no one on my team currently, but I was thinking once I get more deposits built up, I'll eventually do airdrops, direct airdrops as well on this channel. As you can see, I currently have $5.08 or 0.328 Drip available to either claim, which means I can put this in my MetaMask wallet, or I can just take this and compound it and add it under my deposits. But first, before I even show you the hydrate button, I'm going to add another Drip in here. So when I add another Drip, it's going to take this amount and add it into the deposits as well. So in order to get some Drip, what you need to do is you need to go to swap. As you can see, the current price of Drip is around $15.53. So you're going to need BNB in this situation. And as you can see, the slippage tolerance is 3%. What you can also do is, if you want to buy Drip through here, you can also go through Pancake Swap. Right, what you want to do is you can go to swap. You could take any of these coins here, right, and you just go to Drip. Now, when you first search for Drip on here, you won't be able to see the contract address for Drip. So what you can do is you can go to a website like dexscreener.com. And then if you type in Drip, you can just go to this first one here. And then down here where you see it says Drip, you can just copy that contract address. And you can just paste it here. And you see you can add Drip right here. And this, as you can see, I've already added Drip. Now, here you will need to set the slippage tolerance to around about 12% in order to swap your coins here for Drip. But it's a little bit easier than to just go here instead to swap on the Drip website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one Drip just to show you as an example here. I'll make sure I have enough Drip. Actually, no. 0.49. 254. All right, so what I do is I go ahead and buy that drip. Click buy. Go ahead and pay the gas fees. Click on confirm. As you can see, transaction success. Buy was successful. Click OK. And as you can see now, I have over 1 drip, right, to add into my faucet. So yeah, we click and go back to faucet, and as you can see, now it's ready to be added. So I'm gonna go ahead and deposit this drip. I'm gonna click on max, and now I'm gonna click deposit. Pay the gas fees here. So like I said, in this case, it's going to add this drip balance here with the deposit, and then it's going to add my available balance back into the deposits. And as you can see here, I should have around about 12 in a second. Yep, there we go. Now I have 12.403 drip. The claim is 2.054. My max payout now is 45. Now, the ultimate goal when you're doing drip is you want to have a total of, I think, like 27,000. Let me go and check real quick. Let me see, max drip. Yeah, okay, here we go. All right. So, your goal is to have, and deposits is 27,397 drip. Once you have 27,397 drip, your max payout will be 100,000. Once you hit the max payout, you will not be able to earn any more drip. Right? You will not be able to earn any more drip, and once you hit 100,000 as the max payout, you'll be able to claim up to 100,000. After 100,000, you won't be able to claim no more. Pretty much, your account is pretty much dead. So, in the next video, I'll show you a calculator, a useful calculator tool that you can use to help you manage your journey into drip. So, in this video, I just wanted to show you an example of how to purchase drip and how to deposit. Right. So like I said, I'll have my link in the description if you want to join drip. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.